Hello everyone, welcome again to Nice to Sew channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sew the most common seams and seam finishes for beginners like you. And you will also see how to start up a single lock stitch sewing machine. So, simulan na natin! So, turo ko sa inyo paano ginagamit itong machine. Bago ko ito switch on, tingnan nyo kung paano ko ginagamit itong foot pedal. So, when you press on it, like this, pag gusto mo na itigil, press back mo lang yung paa mo. Yung iba, dalawang paa ginagamit nila. Ayan. Pero ako, sanay ako na isa lang. So, ito yung tinatapakan ko nung nagwa-wind ako ng thread sa bobbin dun sa previous video. Okay, so let's continue. And then, itong presser foot, we can lift this using this knee lifter. Like this. Yeah. You can see na umaangat itong presser foot. Yeah. Okay. Or you can use the knob on the back of this machine. It is called presser foot lifter or hand lifter. Panglock ito sa presser foot. Then, itong feed lever na ito, pag pinress ko ito, it moves the feed dog backward. Yan, kaya pabalik yung tahi. Siyempre dapat, naka-on muna ito. Try natin dito sa scrap. You can use this seam allowance guide. Tusok muna natin itong harong. And then, start to press on the foot pedal. And then, lock. Sabay. Itong back stitch and the foot pedal. Sabay mo siya dito. And you will see. Paatras yung and then, siyan lang natin. And then, lock ulit natin sa dulo. Seam is the basic structural element of a garment, or in Tagalog, ito yung pagdudugsong sa tela. The example of these are plain seam, French seam, and flat felt seam. So this is how to sew a plain seam. For beginner, you can make the seam allowance like this. Pero sa mga sanay na magtahi, ginagamit nila itong seam allowance guide. So this is 2 cm or equivalent to 3/4 inch. Plain seam allowance can be 1/4, 1/2, or 1 inch. Sample ko lang tong 3/4. Hindi ako dito titingin. I'm not looking on the needle, but instead I am looking on the seam allowance guide. Okay. Press natin. Wait natin na mag-gain ng machine yung energy niya or yung stable na yung tunog. And then, down the middle, start, see, look at my foot, then use this knee lifter. So this is the plain seam. Right side to right side. Then, press natin ito. The next one is French seam. It is basically a seam within a seam. Pinakamatibay at bagay sa lightweight fabric. Place the fabric together right side out with 1/4 or 6 mm allowance. For beginner, lagyan nyo ng pin. Then, tahiin. Flat felled seam. Ginagamit ito sa pagtahi ng sportswear, men's and children's wear, at reversible item na kailangan matibay at tumatagal yung tahi. After ng plain seam with 3/4 allowance na right side ang nakalabas, gupitin ang isa sa seam allowance at mag-iwan ng 1/4 allowance. Then, fold natin ito. Press nyo ng ganito o gamitan nyo ng plancha. So, pwede lagyan ng pin. So, this is the flat felled seam. Seam finishes. Tinatawag din itong edge finishes. Ginagawa ito para hindi magtastas yung gilid ng tela. The first one is welt seam. It allows the plain seam to be detailed by top stitching na pwedeng same color or contrasting sa tela ang kulay ng sinulid. Sew a plain seam with 1/2 or 1.2 cm allowance, fabric or wrong side out. Then, lalagyan naman natin siya ng tahi sa ibabaw. The next one is the turn and stitch seam finish. After ko magtahi ng 1 inch allowance or plain seam ng 1 inch allowance or 2.5 cm. Okay. So, itong dulo, dito tayo tatahi para itong edge na to maging makinis. No? So, ito, pwede mong i-fold itong isang side or both sides. So, pwede mo itong planchahin or i-crease mo na lang ng ganon on both sides. Okay. And then, tatahiin natin. So, ito yung ginagawang finishing ng mga sewer na walang serger or edging machine sa bahay. The next one is the pinking seam finish. So, after ng plain seam, pinlansya ko na ito and tinahian ko yung gilid. So, gupitin natin to using this pinking shear. The last one is the bound seam finish. So, after the plain seam, you need a bias tape like this. Nabibili ito sa market. Meron itong satin and cotton. So, kailangan gitna. Hold mo ito sa gitna. And then, You can press this. Hope you like this video and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.